So, yo, what's up, guys? We're back again with a new video, and in today's video, I don't know what we're gonna do today, but yeah, let's see how many people do we come in our contact, and how do we spend our day today. Sorry, not about the day, about the night today. All right, let's go. Chalo. And over here again with my brother Vikas, we have reached to the destination, and now. Alright, so we have brother by our side over here, and now brother is gonna give me a random word, and with the random word I'm gonna make a rap on that song. Oh sorry, on that word. Alright brother, come up with the word.
Strawberry.
Story. Alright, so although this thing is going something really random and natural, so please don't mind if I stuck somewhere or if some words come out wrong. Alright, let's go. A. The everything that I wanna get on you. These things are not about preaching you. The preaching is not coming out through, but strawberries are juicing in my mind, Mount Brew. In my mouth, I just smell like juices. Juices can take over just like carries, and carries will take me to the cherries. Cupcakes with the small dip of berries, and peri fries that I wanna eat with the chicken fries, and I wanna eat and I'm gonna eat that all, yeah. And with the strawberries, I'm gonna make it all, yeah. And with the heaven, I'm gonna slow down, yeah. And with the heaven, I get connected. When the strawberries come in my mouth, it is so retroacting. And when it is all coming out in my side, I just wanna get the strawberry right, just like a natural dream that I am kind of hype up saying and seeing my knife is cutting off the strawberries again, and now this is part of my delicious game. Thank you. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. So, like, did you like that?
Amazing, bro.
It was amazing?
Yep.
Bro, just give me a random word on story. So I just dropped a rap on that one.
That's nice, yeah.
Do you wanna drop some word for me?
Bicep.
What's that?
Bicep.
Myself.
Bicep.
Bicep. You're a gymer? Alright, so let's go. Bro has preached another word to us, and that's on bicep. Alright, come on, bro. A. Now I'm going to the gym, and the gym is like all power. Power is in myself. It is my only desire. Desire will come up. We'll see the fire. Fire will be seen when bicep will come on the fire. Thrones up, thrones down, but you can see me boundary line are closing door by bicep hole, and I can really see some hoes following me down, and I don't feel like if a girl's gonna get kind or rude now, and now it's the only way I'm gonna take over. The bicep is my major takeover, yeah. Thank you, man. How was that? Thank you, man. Although it was so random, bro. Yeah, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, man. Alright, so over here we have another brother, Pankaj. Pankaj gave us the word of bicep. And with that word,
This guy, my friend, my brother, Mayank, did well done, yeah. Well done job. He's a talented guy.
Thank you so much. If you are appreciating my work, I'm gonna do it. If you're
Support
pushing
this
me.
guy, he's really, talented, amazing skill, and he will do too good in upcoming time, yeah.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, thank you so
Nice to
much.
meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too, man. Thank you. Yeah. And what's your name, bro?
Rahul.
Rahul. Nice to meet you, Rahul. I'm Mayank this side.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're really nice, and I think you're gonna go far away from there.
Yeah.
So keep it up.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah.
I'll support you.
Thank you. Brother, do you want to give me some random word? Like you, what's that? You want to give?
Money.
Money or money? All right, let's go for money. Let's take the camera by this side. Yeah. Come in the frame. All right. So brother has given us the word of money.
It's money.
Yeah.
It's important.
A. Sunshine everywhere, shine going down, yeah. Down, up, and up's coming from, yeah. Nobody's getting joy, nobody's getting up, yeah. Everybody's getting to the money frame, yo, there. the die is getting harder, the joy is becoming louder, the louder it will come out, it is gonna shine down. And when you see the money, you will see the fire is one and only, and you will see my desire. All the desires rules out of the money, yeah. Money is the one factor you can join, yeah. Joining out the time, yeah, joining with the time, like everybody coming out, what is the night time, yeah. Yeah. Now money will get me down. Money will get me up. Everyone gonna respect it by the money frame. Yeah. Thank you, man.
Hey, thank you, rocked it, bro.
Although if I will make hustle, man. Although if I will make a proper rap on this thing, it will come out with a show damn thing.
Obviously. You should work on it.
Hopefully one day if my YouTube channel will work, I know, because now I'm gonna be consistent on my channel, and I'm gonna take out some raps and everything. So yeah, you guys will say one day that Mayank met us in CP just at this time only, and Mayank got this much kind of growth.
Bro. Best of luck.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. Yeah. Thank you, bro. What's your name again?
Arvind Singh Rathod.
Arvind Singh Rathod. My name is Mayank Pratap Singh.
कहाँ से?
I'm from UP.
I'm from Rajasthan.
I also belong from UP, bro.
Where in UP?
Where in UP?
I'm from Bulandshahr.
Same here, bro.
You're from Bulandshahr?
Yeah,
A coincidence. Okay.
Yeah, man. All right, bro. Where you from?
World is so small.
World is so small.
Muradabad.
You're from Mudamad?
Muradabad.
And your good name?
Shivam.
Shivam. Nice to meet you, bro. And you, bro?
I'm from Haryana.
You're from Haryana. And your name?
Himanshu.
Himanshu. Nice to meet you, Himanshu. You make sure to spread my channel.
Of course, this guy is from Bulandshahr. I also belong from Bulandshahr. Yeah, we are brothers. What a coincidence.
My father's maternal relatives, they live in Bulandshahr. My father's origin part is from Bulandshahr.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are basically from Bulandshahr only.
That's nice.
Yeah, man.
You are a full-timer rapper? Alright, so my bro Pankaj over here, he's from the ancestor part of my father's village, that is in Bulandshahr, and yeah, we both are from Bulandshahr. So just look out, just check out the aura of people from Bulandshahr. That's true, man. UP tera hai.
UP Tera, let's go, bro.
You rock out.
Do you know Sidhu Moosewala, the Indian Tupac? The Indian Tupac, Sidhu Moosewala. Do you know Sidhu Moosewala?
I know, yeah.
Everyone knows about Sidhu Moosewala, the legend. And I have always appreciate the hard work of Sidhu Moosewala. Inspired by Sidhu Moosewala, let's go. The Indian Tupac. Alright. Thank you so much for...
Dillani Mara Tera Sidhu Moosewala.
Dillani Mara Tera Sidhu Moosewala. Alright, bro. Thank you so much for joining in the video. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Alright, so in this video right now, we're gonna do the soup of Cristiano Ronaldo. CR7, you know. Let's go. 3, 2, soup! Alright, so we made some new friends, did some good raps, and just enjoyed plenty of good time. Because you know we got the good time. When good time... when you believe in God, God's gonna give you. God is gonna give you everything when you believe in God. You know that. always put God first. Always put God first in everything. That I have said, and I'm gonna always say this thing.
We just not trust anyone.
Huh? Kya? What?
We are just not trust anywhere.
We are not trust anywhere. Okay.
Believe the God.
Believe the God. He just meant to say that don't believe in anyone, just believe in God. Just don't take your trust anywhere. Just trust in God. Trust the process. Trust universe, and everything's gonna come on the right time. Yeah. So we met another brother over here. His name is Nikhil. Nikhil by this side. Mayank over this side, bro. Nice to meet you. Okay, so now this much we have made in the video, in today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you all liked it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also drop a like if you like my videos and everything. And yeah, always be blessed. Always put God first. Be blessed. May the divine light show you the right path to the right way. And yeah, always be focused. Let's go.